Brian and Marnie have a busy life. They've got 3 kids doing 20 different sports. It's kind of total chaos. They would like to get things organized, starting with the garage. That's where I come in. I'll help get that garage organized while they organize dinner. Oh yeah. Look at this. You guys got a lot of gear going on. Just a few sports, huh, guys? Who here plays sports? Who here plays at least 5 sports? Who here leaves all their gear on the garage floor? Yeah, that's what I thought. So what would make your life easier?
To be able to go and grab what we need for equipment right away instead of having to tear it apart. To be able to actually park very simply and easily in a garage.
Without
that would
running
be a
over
dream.
something?
Without running over something, because we
Yeah.
have run over sticks and equipment and helmets.
You ran over my scooter.
Yeah, I ran over your scooter, Luke. Yeah.
What do you say if we clear this space out? Maybe we'll play a little bit while we do it. You guys don't know how to play basketball, do you?
Yes.
If you want to play basketball, what do you guys do? Can't even get that basketball out of there. No, you can't.
Watch the fishing rod.
Oh, this looks useful. Jeez Louise. Is that how it works every day?
Usually gets hit with something, so.
Meet me at the basketball hoop.
Oh,
All right.
Ready? Jump
Let's
over
go.
some stuff.
Jump over.
Watch your step. We're gonna have a little contest to see who really is the sportiest of the sportiest by combining your favorite sport with basketball. So everybody grab something and let's start moving it out. This seems like a pretty good system you guys have here.
It's a catch and release. Oh, I got one.
Gears here, gangs here, time to get started.
We're making moussaka. It's a family favorite, using some local vegetables from the market. What Brian's doing is cutting the vegetables. We're gonna bread them and then continue on making the casserole.
Beautiful.
So Scott, a small token of our appreciation.
That looks good.
Set the fire alarm off, cooking it.
What do you think?
Clean, fresh.
Clean, easy.
Completely the opposite of the way I found your garage. How do you make sure that your life doesn't get as disorganized as a garage?
We have a whiteboard that we literally write out every week what we're doing. And we wouldn't be anywhere without device apps. Our lives are run by apps. I don't know how people run their lives without them.
Have you tried any of the banking apps?
We have CIBC mobile banking app. Yeah.
Perfect. So with CIBC, you can set alerts and they can be sent right to your phone. So you want to set budgets, you want to set bill payment notifications, any of that stuff. Because as I can tell in the garage, you have 37 hockey sticks. You may want to set a budget for that.
Right.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Thank you very much for dinner. I really appreciate that. I hope you guys absolutely love what we did in the garage. Should we go check it out?
Check it out for sure.
Let's do it.
You ready? Go on in. Have a look.
Wow, oh my gosh. Get the kayaking.
Is this
ready.
ours?
This is your garage!
Wow. Look
Hockey
at this
sticks.
stuff.
Hockey stick.
Marnie, we don't have to run over any
Hockey
skis.
Look at this. Look how much room you have in these.
That's awesome.
Hang all your gear in here.
Oh, Marn, we're gonna get some stuff in here, honey.
No, this doesn't mean buy more. This means you're good now. You're good. If you want to shift things around, if you don't love the way I've done it, all of these pop in and out super simple. That's not gonna go anywhere now. These cabinets, they all pop up and down. They're on the gear wall as well. I obviously called on my friends at Gladiator. They provided the gear wall, all the cabinets, and some of the help to make this happen.
This is great. What do you think?
I love it.
Yeah, I bet you do. Thank you very much. This is
You're very
great.
welcome.
This is great. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thanks,
it
buddy.
was worth cooking the meal, for sure. I think we won.
Oh, too little, too little.